Okay, so when I came home from camp, I found my DSi XL screwed up. It doesn't play games anymore. I mean, it does. You just have to force it in there. So I've been looking it up a lot, and well, I figured out something. I've been testing with it, and you don't have to get it replaced, because apparently what happened is someone put the damn game in wrong and did this. What a retard. They did that. Shoved it in there. Then again, if you want to do it the hard way, which would be better for you, but it would cost some money. Nintendo probably wouldn't do it for you, but what's her name would do it for you. Some website. I'll have to look it up. But anyways, if you want to do it the hard way, then I'll show you. I'm not gonna actually do it because I don't have the piece. I'm just gonna do it the first way. Okay, so DS is like that. You close it. You might need something like to pry it open. First, you have to unscrew all the screws. There's screws hidden in those little black things. Yep, there's 1, 2, 7 screws. Wait. Yeah, and there's one little one right here. So, I've already got mine unscrewed. Sorry, that's my Xbox, if you heard that. This might take a few minutes. It's hard to pry the thing open. It's the front that really is hard. If you really do not want to break it. Okay. Okay, so that's done. Yeah. These you do not want to break. Even though they're kind of hard to break, they would really suck if you broke. They would really suck if they broke. This goes to the battery, and that would suck. And the left button goes SD card and L button. All the rest of this crap, I don't know what it goes to. Crap, that's all I know. But anyways, yeah. This is the piece I'm talking about. If you didn't shove it in right, if you didn't shove it in, you want to get metal pliers, or metal tweezers, tweezers, yeah. Metal ones, not plastic ones. That can ruin the prongs. If you want to see, first you must really check and see if the prongs are bent. But my problem, I think, is this little lock thing right here. Keeps it from going from playing the game. But I figured out a different way to do it. So, let me put it back. Wait, I didn't show you how to do it. You just move this piece of metal, it tucks under like that, and you look to see if the prongs are bent. Can't see on this camera because it's a little blurry. Well, I can see some of it. Now it focuses. Now focused. Yep. That's what they are. None of mine are bent. It's the locking mechanism. Right there. So anyways, let me put this thing back together. And so yeah. Hang on. Be very careful when you're putting those two pieces back in. Like, extremely careful. I think I've done like 4 times already. Okay, so. Still works, thank God. I like it wouldn't. Let me see if the buttons still work. Yep. Should. Okay, so. See how it says nothing inserted in the game slot? Figured out something. If you put a piece of paper or something in it, like in between the game and the metal piece. See, I'm putting in a game right now. Okay. Doesn't show up. Watch, if I do that, it will. See? So, here's what I found. Get something like a piece of paper, I guess. I don't know. Something like that. And I'll show you in a second if I get something better. Where is it? Oh, yep, I guess I'll use a Lego piece. I guess a Lego piece would work. Okay, so you want to put it right around here. Hang on. Screw it. Something smaller. That's where I wish the driver went. I don't know that. I don't know what the heck this is, but it'll work. Say something to a transformer or something. Oh well. Okay, so here's what you want to do. Damn. See this? In other words, something very small or something. Use a piece of paper. Okay, so you stick them in there like that. It might stick out of your DS. Depends what you put in there. But hey, at least it works. It's a really cheap way to fix it. Do that. And voila. What did I tell you? It works. It works just as it would without it. I don't think anybody's made a video like that before, but I haven't searched a lot of it up, though. So, I'm probably wrong, but someone's probably done it before. So, yeah, the whole game works. And it's working right now. Yep. That seems to be working. So, hope this video helped you out if you had this problem. And till next time, bye.